IELTS Speaking Part 2 Topic. Describe a time when you had to use your creativity. What was the situation or problem? How did you use your creativity to address it? What was the outcome of your creative solution? What did you learn from the experience?
Creativity is an essential trait that allows individuals to think outside the box and come up with innovative solutions. In today's rapidly changing world, being able to harness creativity is more crucial than ever. I vividly recall a situation in which I had to employ my creative skills to overcome a significant challenge. Last year, I was appointed as the head of a project management team for a major construction project. Our objective was to design and construct an eco-friendly residential complex within a tight time frame. However, we encountered a major setback when we discovered that our original plan to incorporate solar panels on the building's facade was not feasible due to technical limitations. This news was disheartening, as the solar panels were a vital component of our sustainable design. Determined not to compromise on our sustainability goals, I knew I had to tap into my creative reserves to find an alternative solution. After careful consideration and brainstorming sessions with the team, an ingenious idea struck me. I proposed the installation of vertical wind turbines instead of solar panels. These turbines could generate clean energy by harnessing the wind, thus ensuring the project remained environmentally friendly. Implementing this alternative solution, however, posed several challenges. We had to ensure that the turbines did not disrupt the building's aesthetics or cause excessive noise pollution. To address this, I collaborated with an architectural firm renowned for its sustainable designs. Together, we devised a plan to integrate the turbines seamlessly into the building's design, ensuring they were both visually appealing and practical. The outcome of our creative solution surpassed all expectations. Not only did the vertical wind turbines generate a substantial amount of renewable energy, but they also became an iconic feature of the complex. The design received widespread recognition and won several prestigious awards for its innovative approach to sustainable architecture. This experience taught me invaluable lessons about the power of creativity. I realized that thinking outside the box and embracing unconventional ideas can lead to remarkable solutions. It also highlighted the significance of collaboration and seeking expertise in areas beyond one's own. By teaming up with the architectural firm, we were able to blend engineering expertise with artistic sensibilities, resulting in a harmonious and effective design. Furthermore, this experience reinforced my belief that setbacks and constraints can fuel creativity rather than hinder it. Instead of accepting defeat when our original plan fell through, we used it as an opportunity to explore new possibilities and find a superior solution. This taught me the importance of perseverance and adaptability in problem solving. In conclusion, the incident where I had to utilize my creativity to overcome the challenge of incorporating sustainable features into a construction project was a transformative experience. By embracing an alternative solution and collaborating with experts, we achieved a remarkable outcome that surpassed our initial goals. This experience not only enriched my understanding of creativity but also reinforced the idea that ingenuity and determination can lead to extraordinary results. Hope you liked our video. Please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel to keep us motivated.